All right, now that we have our infrastructure in front of us, it's time to put in IP addresses. No IPs, no connectivity. So let's start with PC1. Let's go ahead and put the IP address for that one. We go to the desktop tab under IP configuration, 168.1.1. So 192.168.1.1, tab, and then 1.254. This is how I like to set it up, using the first available IP address for the end devices, and then the last available IP address for the gateway, which will eventually end up being the F00. So PC number 2, do the same thing, desktop tab. Let me move window up here so we can see good. IP configuration, 192.168.2.1, tab.2.254. Okay, the last one, which is the actual server tab, 192.168.3.1, tab 192.168.3.254. Add why I'm just tabbing through, because we're using the default subnet mask for a Class C. Subnetted Class C, obviously I would have adjusted the mask accordingly, but since we're not, we're using a default. That's why I was able to tab. Now close. I'm gonna move the window slightly to the left here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go to our first router, and let's make our window here so we can actually see what we're doing. All right, we're gonna type enable and global configuration, and let's name the router R1, which is the fast Ethernet 00 interface F0/0, and then we put the IP address 192.168.1.254, last time 255.255.255.0, subnet mask, and then the command turns on the interface. So, and you'll get a feedback from the hey, this just came up. So that's great. Now we're gonna go to the S000, which is your serial interface, int S0/0/enter, and then we put the IP address 5. That's the first available, and then the mask 255.255.255.252. Clock rate for synchronization purposes, and put in the maximum, which is 4 million. 4 million, and then we do a no shut, and then do WR, a little shortcut there to copy green, because we have to configure this one in order for that to turn green. So let's move it a little bit more here to one side, so our window can fit nicely in here. We can see what we're doing, wizard. So we're going to enable, we're going to that interface, which is int address, the second available IP address, 10.1.1.6, 255.255.252. Enter. This is the DTE portion of the cable, so there is no need to put a clock rate. So all we do is do a 00 int/0. And when this happens, I always like to do an up arrow to make sure that I'm in the right interface, and hit enter one more time, and then do IP network 192.168.254, 255.255.255.0, and then we do a no shut to turn on the interface. Enter a couple times there. Now we have the other serial, which has the clock as well. So we go int S0/0/0, enter. IP address 10.1.1.9, 255.255.255.252. We need that clock rate. Can't forget. 4 million, 123, 1, and then do WR. And I'm going to move it again a little bit here. Get that out of there so I can have a nice clean window. We can see exactly what's going on. Turn it up. All right. Hit enter. And now we're doing the S001. So enable, config T, host name R3, enter, interface 0/0/1, enter, IP address, second available, 255.255.255.252. Enter. No grade on this one. No shut. There are green lights. And now enter a couple times. Interface F00 or LAN. And we're going to put in the IP address of 192.168.3.254. We're the gateway. 255.255.0, enter. And then we do a no shut to turn that on. Do WR to copy. As you can see, we have green lights all the way across, but are we routing across? We put our PCs and our routers. The PC1. And then we're going to go to PC1, and we're going to see if we can ping, oops, wrong one here, command prompt. And we're going to ping our gateway, which would be 192.168.254. And we get replies. Beautiful. That's what we want to see. But can we get 192.168.2.1, which is our neighboring, and it says, well, you only get a reply from our gateway. So what is it that we need to do now? We need to start creating routing. Default routing will be one of the first things that we would talk about.